To part A then, find the values of theta in the range here satisfying this equation. Let's have a go at this then. Here's the question. So we got cos here, so let's replace this by 1 minus cos squared. So this would be 4 cos 1 minus cos squared, wouldn't it? Minus 2 cos theta. Helps to write the correct thing. Okay, let's get all the cos squareds together. This is minus 4 cos squared, isn't it, when you expand the bracket? Move that over to be here. We end up with 8 cos squared theta. We've got minus 2 cos theta, bring that over to plus 2 cos theta. And then we've got a 4 here, bring that over to minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, so because this middle term's even, I reckon it's 4 2's. It can't be 8 1's, I don't think, because we got, I think it's 4 2's. I'm going to try 4 2's first, because that's the most likely one. And it's going to be 3 1's probably, yes, there and there. 4 and 6, it's plus, so this would need to be plus and this is minus. Let's just check it then. 8 cos squared minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Lots of cos theta minus 3. So that tells us then cosine theta from the first bracket must equal minus 3/4. Or cosine theta here must equal a half, isn't it? So those are our two possible solutions. Let's have a look at them. So circle cos, cast. Cos is negative. Cos is negative here and here. Draw 2 lines. Mark off the alpha, the associated angle to the horizontal, and simply write cos alpha and drop the negative. So alpha is equal to cosine to the minus 1 of 3/4. Working in degrees, so let's work out alpha then. Shift cos 3/4. Shift cos, I'm in degrees mode, 3/4, 1.75. 41.41 degrees. 41.41 degrees. So theta then will equal, first solution will be here, 180, round 180 back 41.41 degrees, or the next solution will be around 180 plus the 41, which is 221.41, isn't it, degrees. So that's 138.59, or the 221.41 degrees. So those are the two solutions there. Let's have a go at the next one. Circle. Cosine theta is positive. Cosine is positive here and here. 2 lines, mark off the alpha, the associated acute angle. Simply write cos alpha and drop the negative, if there is one to drop. Cos of a half, cos 60, isn't it, is a half. So theta then can also equal, the first angle is 60, and the next angle is right round to here, which is 360 back 60. That's 300 degrees. So in summary then, our solutions, theta is equal to 60 degrees, 138.59, 221.41, or 300 degrees in the range. Okay, let's just check the solution then. 138.59, 6300, and 221.41, so that looks good. Okay, part B, let's look at the paper. The angle satisfies this and this. Alpha is between 0 and 180. Find the value of alpha. So here's the problem. Let's get part C out of the way for the moment. Okay, so here's our problem then. So what have we got? Right, sine of alpha plus 40 is 1 over root 2. Now alpha lies between so alpha plus 40 and this is sine is positive here. Sine is positive here and here. So you'd get that solution there, wouldn't you? Those possible solutions. So our alpha, our associated acute angle, alpha dashed, we'll have to call it. So sine alpha dashed is equal to 1 over root 2. So alpha dashed then, the associated acute angle, is 45 degrees, isn't it? So it's either 45, alpha plus 40 is equal to, it's either 45 degrees then, or 180 back 45, 135 degrees from this information. This one, let's do it again. So here, CAST, sine is positive again, here and here. So our alpha dashed now is equal to root 3 over 2. Sine 60, isn't it? 60 degrees alpha dashed. So alpha minus 35 then must equal either 60 degrees or around to 180 back 60, which is 120 degrees. So this one tells us alpha is equal to 95 or 155. That's what that implies. This implies alpha is equal to 15 or 95 degrees. So our conclusion then is that alpha must be the 95 degree solution, mustn't it? 'Cause that's the only value that's common to both possibilities. Okay, 95 degrees. Let's just have a look at that here. So part B, 95. Yeah, good. Okay, part C now. So here we need to get tan, won't we? So let's move this over there. So this implies then that 7 over cosine phi is equal to 10 over sine phi. Let's move the sine up here. So that tells us that sine over cos is tan phi is equal to, so I moved the sine up to get sine over cos. I moved the 7 down, 10 over 7. Let's draw a circle. Tan is positive here and here. Draw 2 lines. Mark off the alpha, the associated acute angle with the horizontal. And write tan alpha is 10 over 7. So then we can work out alpha, which would be shift tan 10 over 7. Shift tan 10 divided by 7. 55 degrees. What was that again? 55.01 degrees. We'll do to 2dp. Okay, that's alpha then. So phi must equal then, the first one will be round to here, which is 55.01 degrees, or the next solution would be 180 plus the 55, wouldn't it? 235.01 degrees. So there's our 2 solutions. Let's just check it in the past papers. 55 and 235, just rounded the degree. So you could just just round it and round it to the nearest degree. So let's do that then. And we'll just do it to the nearest degree, not to 2dp.